Hello, in this video we will discuss how we are managing the autocomplete search for this particular lib-listing thing. So just to start, we have two different ways to manage the autocomplete search. One is we will just whenever we are configuring the autocomplete, we will put pre-existing data, I mean the options to search on, and another is we can add a server-side API to search related string searches from the database or from the server immediately. So these are the two different ways we will use. Just to let you know, for flexibility, whenever we are just configuring the search settings in search, we can add the information over here. But if you see, there are more than one autocomplete search. Like this is what I show you here, but there are more here. There are 3 more. So how those are added, just to let you know. We can call an API and load the data from there, and we can just write this search settings.push label and field values. That's all. So we can add as much as possible. Like here we have added 3. One is search by category ID, one by search by category name, and one is search by tags from server. So you can see, so these were added not in the primary stage when you're configuring, but these were added later. So hope that has made sense. And to make it clear again, we have to be very much strict with those sending data types. Like when you are sending data, this is the way we have sent it, and the data should be in proper key value pair. The key values are here name and val. In name we will have whatever we will want to show on the label side, and this is the values. So here if you can see, this is the car buying thing is here, car buying advice. So one thing has been added over here. If we see the console, this thing is surely working on key up. So what we have done, as per user flexibility and to make the user interface proper, we won't fire the searches or filter the searches whenever user write something. So like here we see we have written car, but it has only fired once. So you can see, so this is how it's working. So we have modified that part. So in general key up, it should fire immediately with each key up, but right now it won't. So we will discuss how to do that later in a different video for a different module. And then just for your information, we have done it with debounce time. Now again we will get back to autocomplete search, and here to have data from the server side, what we will do, we will have to add a option called server search data, and we need to just have an endpoint over there, the endpoint name. That's all we need to do, and it should work. Let's see how this works. we will clean the network, and again if we clean the console, and we will see whenever we write something, it won't fire right away. Like you see, we have a debounce time of 500 milliseconds. That means half of a second. So after each time, half of a second, it will fire. So like whenever we are typing, if within half of a second we type the whole string we are looking for, it should wait until we finish. And if we don't complete within half of a second, then it will fire automatically. This is how it is right now. Now you can see there are, it has only fired once, you can see, and also in network call it has only fired once. And you can see the response time is good. This is much below 1 second. So we can do this again, and you can see it's been within 800 milliseconds actually, so which sounds good. And just for your example, or for information, this particular database has likely around 29,000 data. Yes, 29,000 data. So within 29,000 data, and it searching within 800 milliseconds, that should be quite okay for now. And to just let you know, for every kind of autocomplete we have a option. You can have multiple options to select, and if you search with those, you will see the headers over here. It has search like this: author search and author search, and it's in OR. So either this or this is how it will search. So you can see there is two results, one for this author, we have this result, and we have for this result also. Yeah, these two. So this is how the autocomplete search is working. And we will have the description code in the description, and also you will have the link for the GitHub also. Thank you. Hope that made sense. Bye.